Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru and great God, let us start the today's session. Yesterday we have done the Sommerfield quantum theory. We have done the Sommerfield quantum theory. Sommerfield quantum theory. Let us do a recapitulate in 2 minutes. Okay, in which we assume that an electron has to be confined within the one-dimensional potential energy box. Electron, I mean to say the electron is shifted to a boundary within the crystal. So he just compared this model. He just compared this with the model that is the electron is confined in a one-dimensional box whose length is L. And x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L are the boundaries of that potential energy box. This is the potential energy box. These are the infinite potential walls. X is equal to 0, x is equal to L. These are the boundaries. This is the length of the box. Okay. And what is the potential? Potential energy of electron, that is 0 inside the box. Inside the box. Potential energy is 0 inside the box, that is within 0, x in between 0 to L. X is in between 0 to L. And Vx is equal to infinite for x less than or equal to 0 and x greater than or equal to L. Whereas x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L are the boundaries of that infinite potential well. So electron would be here. So what we have derived that, so basically in quantum mechanics a particle or electron has to be defined by a quantity which is called a wave function, psi. So basically psi tells us the behavior of the particle. Okay, how the particle or electron will behave like this. So this is a general wave function. So yesterday we calculated psi n. Psi n means this is the wave function for the nth state. So what was the wave function, Vanshika? What was the wave function? What's the value wave function? Psi n is equal to a sine n pi by x into n. This is the value of the wave function for the nth state. हिंदी वालों के लिए हमने बेटा माना कि इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे है, एक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बॉक्स में है जो कि वन डायमेंशनल है, जो कि एक क्या है, कैसे पता चला वन डायमेंशनल? क्योंकि सिर्फ x है, सिर्फ वैल्यू ऑफ x है. x हो वन डायमेंशनल होता है, x और y दोनों हो डायमेंशनल होता है, x y z हो तो 3 डायमेंशनल. ठीक है, तो हमने माना कि जो एनर्जी है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है क्या? यस, n pi by एक बार देखना होता ना, बच्चे जाग रहे हैं कि सो रहे हैं. n pi by L into x. L is the length of box. This is a wave function for the nth state. ठीक है, तो हमने भैया ये माना कि जो हिंदी वालों की ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये एक कुएं में है. ये क्या है, एक डायमेंशनल कुआं है. ठीक है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बॉक्स है वन डायमेंशनल, उसके बीच में बॉक्स के अंदर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितनी है? 0. कितनी है? 0. अच्छा, हिंदी वाले कितने बच्चे हैं? हाथ खड़े करना प्लीज, रेज योर हैंड्स. हिंदी वाले कितने बच्चे हैं जो हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल है? ओके, मेजॉरिटी आर द हिंदी. ओके, सो आई विल बेसिकली कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड पंजाबी. ओके, तो भैया इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी कितनी है बॉक्स के अंदर? 0. ठीक है, जब हम क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स अप्लाई करते हैं. और बाउंड्रीज पे कितनी है? इनफाइनाइट. इधर और इधर कितनी है? इनफाइनाइट. यहाँ पे क्या है? x लेस देन 0. यहाँ पे क्या x ग्रेटर देन L. ये x ग्रेटर देन L है, ये रीजन क्या बेटा? x लेस देन 0. ठीक है, और ये हमने वेव फंक्शन निकाला था. नाउ व्हाट इज द एनर्जी? व्हाट इज द एनर्जी फॉर द nth स्टेट? क्या निकाली थी, बता सकता है कोई? अच्छा, एक हमने निकाला था En is proportional to, वो वहां पे लिखते हैं. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर द nth स्टेट? क्या थी वैल्यू बता सकता है? n स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर h क्रॉस स्क्वायर अपॉन 2ml स्क्वायर। ठीक है बेटा? तो बेटा हमें दो ही चीजें चाहिए। वी रिक्वायर दी टू थिंग्स, वन इज वेव फंक्शन एंड अदर इज दी एनर्जी, एसोसिएटेड विद दी वेव फंक्शन। ठीक है? और द पार्टिकल, सॉरी एनर्जी एसोसिएटेड विद दी पार्टिकल और इलेक्ट्रॉन। So see, pi square is constant, h square is constant, 2 is constant, and mass of electron is constant. कितनी वैल्यू होती है? What's the value of mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 is power minus 31 kg. That's the mass of electron and the length of box. That is also a constant. So I can write like this: En is proportional to n square. It means I can absorb this constant value inside a proportional sign. तो ये हमें क्या बताती है ये इक्वेशन 1 2 3? So basically equation 1 2 3 it shows that energy values and wave functions are quantized. Energy values are quantized. Not every value of energy is possible. Not every value of energy is possible. Only certain specific values are allowed. Where n is called quantum number. N is called a quantum number. This side n is called a quantum. Principal quantum number. N is called principal quantum number or a quantum number. Okay. And it can have values 1 2 3. Okay. Like this. So energy values are quantized. Quantized or discrete. Quantized or discrete. Quantized or discrete. तो यहाँ से basically we know the concept of quantization. We know the concept of quantization. Okay, this is the beauty of the quantum mechanics. In the classical physics, we say that every value of energy is possible. Every value of energy is possible. Like this like a pen. Every value of energy is possible. Okay, electron can have this energy, just like a fluid, just like a मैं कहीं भी पैर रख सकता हूँ तो वो क्या है? कंटिन्यूस। जो सीढ़ियाँ होती हैं, जो अपस्टेयर्स होते हैं, that is just like a discrete. ठीक है? यहाँ पे पैर रख सकता हूँ, only this is allowed or this is allowed. So it means quantized means this is n is equal to 1, this is allowed, this is n is equal to 2, this is allowed, this is n is equal to 3, this is allowed, and this is n is equal to n is equal to 1 is called ground state. N is equal to 1 is called a ground state. N is equal to 2 is called higher energy level. That is called a first excited state. N is equal to 3 means second excited state. N is equal to 4 is called a third excited state. Now the question is, what is the value of the energy for this? N is equal to 1 ground state. What is the value of energy? E1. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. So it means I can get a value. This is the value of E1. What's the value of E1? E1 is equal to n square h cross square upon 2ml. Okay. Pi square h cross square upon 2ml square. What is the value of this energy state? E2 is equal to 4 times E1. 4 times E1. And E3 is equal to 9 times. And E4 is equal to 6. Up to कहाँ तक जाएगा? Up to nth state. Up to the nth and out. So this is the energy states, and corresponding to the energy state, these are the different energy values. Are you getting this, Joseph? Benedict? हिंदी वालों को समझ आ रहा है सबको? अच्छा लग रहा है? Basically, are you enjoying the session or not? आवाज़ नहीं आई मेरे को। अभी भी नहीं आई? अभी आई। ठीक है? तो now let us take क्या? थोड़ा ज़्यादा एक्साइट हो गए। इलेक्ट्रॉन को ज़्यादा एनर्जी मिल गई, एकदम ऊपर चला गया। So now please, second task is now let us calculate the wave function associated with this value. What's the wave function for this state? Psi1. Psi1 is equal to A. A is constant. A is a. Now we have to our second task is you have to calculate the value of A. You have to calculate the value of A. Okay. When we will calculate the A, then a new wave function will come, and that new wave function is called will become a complete wave function. Then it will become a complete wave function, because right now we don't know the value of A. A can be 1, A can be 1 by 2, A can be 2 by 3, or A can be 2 by root L, or A can be root 2 by L, or A can be root L by 2. It can have any value. It can have a. But how we can verify this? That this is the correct value. So today we will calculate the value of A. We will calculate the value of A by applying the normalization condition. By applying the normalization condition. So please give a heading. Please give a heading. Calculation of A. Okay. Calculation of A. Calculation of A. लिखा ना? Boundary condition. The normalization condition. Normalization condition. By applying a normalization condition. What is normalization conditions? Normalize. What is normalization condition? Normalization condition means you might have studied the conjugate, complex conjugate. Have you आपने पढ़े है वो conjugate number, imaginary number, real number पढ़े कि नहीं पढ़े हैं? Okay, let us say I have a value of A is equal to 1 plus 2 iota. Then what will be the value of A bar? A bar is called a complex conjugate of A. Complex conjugate of A. And its value is 1 minus 2 iota. 1 minus simply replace iota by minus iota. Okay. Or some books we can also write like this. This is as A star. A star. A star means complex conjugate. A star or A bar are one and same. One and out. Done. Now see. Now what? We have a wave function psi. Take the wave function psi. Okay. Take the wave function psi. Take the complex conjugate of this wave function. Take the complex conjugate of this wave function and product of this psi into psi star. Psi into psi star. Do integrate from initial value to minimum value. What is initial value? Into dx. What is the initial value of x? 0. X is equal to 0. From x is equal to 0 to what's the maximum value? L. What's the maximum value? L. Because we have a potential energy box of initial value. This is called initial value. Please write. This is called the initial value. And this is called the final value. This is called the final value. Okay. तो यहाँ पे बेटा क्या आएगा? X is equal to L, and that product is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. This is true for one dimension. This is true for one dimension. This is true for one dimension. अगर 3 dimension में लिखना हो तो क्या आएगा? For 3 dimension क्या आएगा? Psi into psi star. Psi into psi star. ठीक है? dx, dy, dz. एक इंटीग्रेशन dx का आएगा, एक dy का आएगा, एक किसका आएगा? dz का आएगा. That is equal to 1. That is equal to और लिख सकते हैं dx, dy और dz को लिख सकते हैं dv. ठीक है? वॉल्यूम, स्मॉल एलिमेंट वॉल्यूम. तो क्या आ जाएगा? psi star dv is equal to 1. ओके. और 3 लिमिट्स को मैं क्या लिख दीजिए? यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए v. यहाँ पे क्या लिख दीजिए? v. 3 को मुझे एक बना. Either you can write like this or write like this. This is for the x, this is for the y, this is for the z. Any doubt? Any doubt? So this is for the 3 dimension. This is for the 3 dimension. but we have to need only for the one dimensional in this article. So I will do here. We will put there. Correct, sir? Okay. What is sine? What is sine? A sine n pi by l into x. This is a real part. This is the real part. इसमें कोई imaginary part है? No. So what is the psi star? Psi star is equal to a star into sin n pi l x. ऐसे रहते। मान लीजिए अगर यहाँ पे आयोटा होता तो फिर यहाँ पे क्या आ जाता? माइनस आयोटा। क्या आ जाता? माइनस आयोटा। गेट द पॉइंट? अगर यहाँ पे आयोटा होता तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाता? माइनस आयोटा। अब आयोटा तो है नहीं। आयोटा तो it doesn't contain the iota, so it will not change. It will not supposed to change. Okay. Okay. Use this value in this equation. What's the equation number, Panchika? Tell me. What was the last equation that we have done yesterday? This is the equation number 13. This is the formula. 15. Choose 15 and 16 in 14. Choose 15 and 16 in 14. We get. What's the answer? What's the answer? Integration of 0 to L a star sin n pi by l into x sin n pi l by x. क्या बन गया? sin square n pi l by x. Can I write this? Sin square n pi by l into dx is equal to. Any doubt? Any doubt? Sin into sin क्या हो गया? Multiply. क्या हो गया? Now we have to solve this integral. We have to solve this integral. Okay. To solve this integral, I will use the trigonometric formula. That formula is sin square x is equal to क्या होता है formula? Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. अब हमारा x क्या है यहाँ पे? हमारा x क्या है? n pi by l. क्या है? यूज कीजिए sin square n pi by l into x क्या बन गया? क्या बन गया हमारा? क्या बन गया? 1 minus cos 2 n pi l by x divided by यही बना ना? यही बना ना? 1 minus cos 2x 1 minus cos हमारा x क्या है? ये वाला है। यहाँ पे x भी आएगा। ठीक है? ठीक है? हमारा सॉरी हमारा x ये n pi by l into x यहाँ पर पुट कर दिया 1 minus cos 2 n pi l by 2 n pi by l 1 minus cos 2 n pi by l into x. Okay, give it question number 17. This is a 18. Question number use 18 in 17. Use 18 in 17 we get क्या आंसर है बेटा? Can I write this 1 by 2? Can I write this 1 by 2? Okay. 1 minus cos 2 n pi by l into x ओके डिवाइड बाय 2 into dx is equal to 1 into L. Now I will do the integrate. Okay, this will become 1 by 2 into dx minus 1 by 2 into cos 2n pi by L into x dx 0 to 1 is equal to 1. Any doubt? 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 is the constant. 1 by 2 is the that we can take outside. Okay. So 0 to 1. Okay. Am I right or wrong? 1 by 2 is a constant that can take outside. So 1 by 2 dx 0 to L minus 1 by 2. Okay. What's the integration of cos? What's the integration of cos x? The integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, sin x. So this is not a sin x. यहाँ पे ये फैक्टर 2n pi upon L. ये किसके साथ आएगा? ये डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. तो क्या आया इसका आंसर? sin 2n pi by L into x divided by 2n pi by L. Limit 0 to L is equal to 1. Is equal to 8 out. सही है ना? हाँ जी, what is the integration of dx x? लिमिट्स पुट करोगे, फाइनल लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट L minus 0. तो आंसर क्या आया? 1 by 2 x 0 to L. ये क्या बन गया? L by 2 L pi. ऊपर आगे क्या आ गया? ये न्यूमरेटर में L by 2 L pi. That become 1 by 2 into L by 2 L pi into sin. दिख रहा आपको? विजिबल हो रहा है यहाँ से? सबको हो रहा विजिबल? क्या है आंसर? L into by sin 2n pi by L into x is equal to 1. Limit 0 to L. 0 to तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ. हाँ जी, क्या आया? 1 by 2 x 0 to L minus 1 by 2 into L by 2n pi into sin. वॉल्यूम्स पुट कीजिए. sin 2n pi upon L into L minus sin 2n pi upon L into 0 is equal to 1. ये समझ आया आपको? Joseph, are you getting this? Now see, L cancel. X की जगह पे मैंने एक बार L पुट किया, अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट. 2n pi by L into 0. आंसर क्या आया? 0. sin 0 तो इसका आंसर क्या आया? 1 by 2 into L minus L by 4n pi into sin 2n pi minus sin 0 is equal to 1. L by 2 pi minus L by 4n pi sin 2n pi 0. Sin 2n pi 0. Put n is equal to 0. 0. N is equal to 1. Sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is again 0. N is equal to 2. Sin 4 pi again 0. So sin 2n pi is always 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 1 because sin 2n pi is equal to 0. समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? Yes sir. ठीक है, चलो. तो क्या आंसर है हमारे पास? और सॉरी, अच्छा a to a से क्या बना? a to a से क्या बन गया था हमारा? a स्क्वायर. क्या बन गया था? a स्क्वायर. तो हमने लिखा ही नहीं. वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा a into a स्टार. यहाँ पे लिख लो a to a स्टार क्या बन गया? ब्रैकेट लिख दीजिए a स्क्वायर. क्या बन गया? a स्क्वायर. a स्क्वायर क्या बन गया? a स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे चलता जाएगा a स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर. ठीक है, a स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर into L by 2 इक्वल टू 1. a स्क्वायर कितना आएगा? 2 by L, ये कितना आया रूट 2, ये कितना आया रूट 2 by L, ये कितना आया रूट 2 by L. So finally we have calculated the value of the constant A. We have calculated the value of constant A by applying the simple method of integration. Okay. Any doubt from this part? That's why by parts भी कर सकते हैं, इसको अलग कर सकते हैं, इसको आप अलग solve कर सकते हैं. You can solve this part separate and can solve this part separate. तो मैंने एक साथ ही कर दिया. ठीक है? समझ आया? Any doubt? So what is our new wave function? Psi n is equal to root 2 by L sin n pi by L divided by x. This is the new wave function. This is a new wave function. What is psi 1? Psi 1 कितना आया फिर? psi 1 कितना आया? psi 1 कितना आया? psi 1 is equal to root 2 by L sin pi by L into x. What is psi 2? psi 2 कितना आया? root 2 by L sin 2 pi by L into x. तो psi 3 कितना आया? root 2 by L sin 3 pi by L into x. फोर्थली कितना आया? psi 4 कितना आया? root 2 by L sin 4 pi by L into x. Okay, so finally we have calculated the value of the wave function that is associated with the electron and the energy associated with the electron. And what we have found that the wave function associated with the electron and the energy associated with the electron is quantized, or discrete or fixed. It is not a continuous. Only some specific and certain values are allowed, and only integral values are allowed. Either n is equal to 1 is allowed or n is equal to 2 is allowed. In between value is not supposed to be. Okay. Now let us make the graph of this. Let us make the graph for this wave function. For this wavelength. So can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Please keep quiet. This is for n is equal to 1. This is for n is equal to 1. This is for n is equal to 1. Please keep quiet. What is this? This is a half wavelength. This is the half wavelength. So this is equal to L is equal to lambda by 2. L is equal to lambda by 2. L is equal to lambda by 2. Because ये आधी wavelength. This is आधी. This is a half wavelength. This is complete wavelength lambda. So this is the half. This is the half lambda by 2. Okay. This is a L is equal to lambda. L is equal to lambda. What is this? N is equal to 3. For n is equal to 3, what is value? Up to this is lambda. Lambda plus lambda by 2. Lambda plus lambda by 2. कितना आंसर आया? Lambda plus lambda by 2 is equal to 3 lambda by 2. So L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. What about N is equal to 4? What about N is equal to 4? कितना जाएगा? 1. तो कितना आ गया? is there. This side energy is there, and this side n is there. N is there. N is called a principal quantum number, and E is called energy. Is called a. पता लगा ये 1 4 9 16 how this comes? By putting n is equal to 1. En is proportional to n square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Any doubt? Any doubt of this part? Any doubt? Please draw this diagram. Now we will discuss the Fermi energy. What is Fermi energy? Which is most important. Okay, Fermi energy. Please keep quiet. Fermi energy. Fermi energy. What is Fermi energy? Please write that. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट है उसमें? जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होती है तो वो कौन सा रूल फॉलो करते हैं? मैंने बताया था आपको पहले दिन. व्हेन वी आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, व्हिच रूल इज ओबेड? Pauli's exclusion principle. Which rule is followed? Pauli's exclusion principle. Now what's the definition of this rule? It states that no two electrons can have the same 4 quantum numbers. हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ कि दो क्वांटम नंबर्स, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के, समझ आई कि नहीं आई? चारों के चारों क्वांटम नंबर्स कभी भी सेम नहीं हो सकते, कभी भी सेम. तो पहला पॉइंट लिखिए इसका. The electrons are distributed. The electrons are distributed among the various energy levels. The electrons are distributed. The electrons are distributed among the various energy levels. Among the various energy levels, and they follow Pauli's exclusion principle. And they follow Pauli's exclusion principle. Which states that no two electron can have the same 4 quantum numbers. No two electrons, हिंदी में भी आप देख सकते हो, हिंदी वाले, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन के चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं हो सकते. आप नोट बना के लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट ए नोट आल्सो. हिंदी में लिख सकते हो कि दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं हो सकते. No two electrons can have the same 4 quantum numbers. No two electrons can have the same 4 quantum numbers. Okay. Second point लिखिए. In a solid, an electron in conduction electronic state, an electron in conduction electronic state has the quantum number n and ms. In a solid, an electron in conduction electronic state have the quantum numbers n and ms. What is n? N is called a principal quantum number. What is ms? Ms is called a magnetic quantum number. Please write. Ms is called a magnetic field quantum number. Magnetic field quantum number. What is n? It's called a principal quantum number. N is called a principal quantum number. Ms is called a magnetic spin quantum number. समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा? Are you getting this? Now please write next point. It means that for each value of n, it means that for each value of n, ms have two values. Ms have two values. First is ms is equal to plus half. Second is m is equal to minus half. For each value of n, comma, ms have two values. ms have two values. ms is equal to plus 1 by 2 and ms is equal to minus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 is called spin up state and minus 1 by 2 is called spin down state. This right? Plus 1 by 2 is called spin up state and minus 1 by 2 is called the down state. ठीक है? और एक एनर्जी लेवल में मैक्सिमम कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हो सकते हैं? दो. कितने हो सकते हैं? दो. वन विद स्पिन अप, अनदर स्पिन डाउन. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए. दिस शोज दैट एन एनर्जी लेवल कैन कंटेन और accumulate. This shows that an energy level can accumulate or contain maximum of two electrons. Maximum of two electrons. Maximum of two electrons. Energy level के बाद this shows that an energy level contains maximum of two electrons. One with spin up, and another is a spin down. Okay. Let us take an example. आपको पता लग जाएगा. ठीक है. अभी let us assume that we will arrange 7 electrons. We will arrange 7 electrons in 4 energy states. In 4 energy states, we have 7 electrons in 4 energy states. मतलब कहने का मतलब है 7 बंदे बैठने वाले हैं, 7 बंदे बैठने वाले हैं और 4 डेस्क लगे हुए. एक डेस्क को आप मान लीजिए एक एनर्जी लेवल. वन डेस्क इज कॉल्ड वन एनर्जी लेवल. और एक डेस्क में मैक्सिमम कितने बच्चे आ सकते हैं? 2. कितने आ सकते हैं? वन इज स्पिन अप, अनदर स्पिन डाउन. तो ये मैंने बेटा ये 4 एनर्जी लेवल्स 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 इसमें 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे अरेंज होंगे बताइए मेरे को. कैसे अरेंज होंगे? कैसे होंगे? जैसे आप कोई बस होती है, खाली बस है तो आप कैसे बैठते हो? पहले स्टेट्स कैसे भरती हैं? जैसे आप ऑर्बिटल भरते हो. कैसे भरते हो? मान लीजिए सब भरते हैं. कैसे भरते हैं? फ्रंट फुट क्या बताता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसे भरते हैं ना? ऐसे ही है ना. अगर तीन हमारे पास ऑर्बिटल्स हैं तो 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐसे है ना. अगर यही डी ऑर्बिटल होता 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ऐसे करते हैं ना. सिमिलरली ऑन दिस. अब पॉली क्या कहता है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के चारों के चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं हो सकते. तो कैसे आएंगे बेटा? ये 1 2 ये n इज इक्वल टू क्या है? 1 n इज इक्वल टू 2 n इज इक्वल टू 3 n इज इक्वल टू 4. 1 2 3 4 ऑपोजिट स्पिन 5 6 7. एक एनर्जी लेवल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन आए? और दोनों के क्वांटम नंबर के चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम होंगे. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ द पॉलिश एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल. दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं होंगे. नो टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन हैव द सेम क्वांटम नंबर, चाहे वो सेम एनर्जी लेवल में बैठे हैं. समझ आई कि नहीं आई? ये वैसी बात है. 2 बच्चे बैठे हैं एक ही बेंच पे, एक ही लेवल पे बैठे हैं. नाम भी सेम है, पिताजी का नाम भी सेम है, क्लास भी सेम है, हॉस्टल भी सेम है, बट उनका आधार नंबर या एडमिशन नंबर क्या होगा? अलग अलग होगा, डिफरेंट होगा. और पासपोर्ट नंबर भी क्या होगा? It means they must be distinguished by some parameter. Okay. तो सी अब देखिए n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4. अब n इज इक्वल टू 5, कितने लेवल भरे हुए हैं, कितने खाली हैं? 4 तक क्या है, भरे हुए हैं। 4 से ऊपर क्या है, खाली। 4 से नीचे क्या है, भरे। तो हम लिखेंगे n लेस देन 4 ऑल लेवल्स आर फिल्ड, ऑल लेवल्स आर फिल्ड। और n ग्रेटर देन 4 all levels are empty, all levels are empty, all levels are empty। समझ आई कि नहीं आई? 4 से नीचे सारे के सारे लेवल्स क्या हैं, भरे हुए हैं। n less than 4 all the levels are below are filled, and for n greater than 4 all the levels are empty, all the levels are empty। it means n is equal to 4 level क्या हुआ, that is called a Fermi level, that is called a Fermi level। So what's the definition of Fermi level? What's the definition of Fermi level? It is the topmost filled energy level. It is the topmost filled energy level। एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ। मान लीजिए आपका हॉस्टल है, हॉस्टल में मान लीजिए 7 माले हैं। कितने हैं? 7 माले, ठीक है। और मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ थी वो 5 पे आके रुकी, पांचों के पांचों फ्लोर भर गए, एंड 6 and 7 आर एम्प्टी। तो व्हाट इज द फर्मी लेवल? n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5 is called Fermi level। उससे नीचे सारे के सारा हॉस्टल, all the hostels rooms are filled, and for greater than n is equal to 5 6 and 7 are empty, all are above, all are d। so n is equal to and in this particular case n is equal to 4 is called a Fermi level, and energy corresponding to this level is called a Fermi energy, and energy corresponding to this level n is equal to 4 level is called a, and for this case our value will be E4, our value will be E4, then E4 is called a Fermi energy, E4 is called a, any doubt? So what is the Fermi level definition? It is the topmost, it is the topmost, it is the topmost energy filled energy level, it is the topmost filled energy level at t is equal to 0 Kelvin, at t is equal to 0। एक बार बोलिए सारे फर्मी लेवल। व्हाट इज द फर्मी लेवल? इट इज अ टॉप मोस्ट, जोर से बोलिए, इट इज अ टॉप मोस्ट फील्ड एनर्जी लेवल एट टी इज इक्वल टू 0 केल्विन। ये दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फर्मी लेवल, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फर्मी लेवल। से नीचे सारे के सारे लेवल, ऑल द लेवल्स आर फिल्ड, एंड अबव द फर्मी लेवल ऑल द लेवल्स आर एम्प्टी, ऑल द लेवल्स आर empty, and for this case n is equal to 4 is called Fermi level, and energy corresponding to this is called Fermi energy। any doubt? Hey, how much time is left? Clear? any doubt? No sir। सेशन को रैप करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।